yeah.
Hey Siri, call County Dispatch. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Texas Outdoorsman. We got a special one for y'all today. We found them, boys. It's legit. First thing in the morning, we're gonna be over here putting it on them. So I'm gonna show y'all some footage here in the big camera in just a second. It looks like we got some mallards, some gadwall, some widgeon, bunch of Canadians. There's even a bald eagle in the background eating some stuff. So America, let's get into the Bible verse and kill these ducks and geese. Come on. Well, good morning, everybody. So we got the layouts. We got 3 of them laid out. We're going to be putting geese in between them and around them, the shells on stakes. I got about a dozen mallards and some gadwalls and stuff. I'm going to set the ducks all over here kind of grouped up. You know, they were sitting off of the geese, so we're going to go ducks this side, kind of geese all through here and in our blinds. But I'm gonna get to going on this setup and we'll show y'all what the word is bird before we start killing them. All right, we got the spread set up. Let's go over game plan. So yesterday when the ducks and geese were in here, the geese were really heavy off of this point. So we've got about 2 dozen shells and about a dozen floaters here off of this point. To the south side, we're gonna do about 1.5 dozen mallards. We've got a mallard machine here. We've got a Higdon propulsator here, and then I've got a mallard machine for movement in the geese decoys right there, because we don't have a lot of wind this morning. What little wind we do have is coming out of the northwest, according to the weatherman, but we know how much he lies. So I'm gonna be here on the south end. Special guest Uzi in the middle. Heck yeah, Clayton on this side. And to follow it all up, we've got about 2 dozen teal. Kind of got them mixed in all throughout, but the majority of them are down here on Clayton's end with 1 Higdon propulsator to create some motion down here. The wind's kind of coming across, so the ducks and geese usually come from up here, and hopefully we can get them to swing around and dump right in front of us in this hole. If we can't, oh well, we'll audible. If we do, awesome, plan came to pass. But you know how it is duck hunting. A lot of times there's lots of audibles involved. Let's get into the Bible verse and then we'll get into the geese and duck killing. All right, we're gonna be in Psalms 1. Literally chapter 1 verse 1. We're going to be going verses 1 through 3. Blessed is the man who walks not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor stands in the path of sinners, nor sits in the seat of the scornful, but his delight is in the law of the Lord, and in his law he meditates day and night. He shall be like a tree planted by the rivers of the water, that brings forth its fruit in its season, whose leaf also shall not wither, and whatever he does shall prosper. We appreciate y'all being here today with us with Texas Outdoorsman, tuning into the channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Every hunt begins with a Bible verse. We worship God, we kill ducks, and here we go. Let's get into it. Let's get snugged into this old layout blind. Comment down below, field hunting or water hunt. We get to do a little of both today. Guarantee you.
Oh, those are mallards. Those are mallards.
It don't matter. We can spook them if y'all want to.
If you want to stand them up.
What do you want to do, Clayton?
Spook them, he said.
All right, I'm gonna stand up and spook them. Hey, bird. You want to kill some ducks real quick?
Yeah, here in a minute.
Them geese are gonna come back.
Y'all still got BBs in?
Hey, they're turning, guys.
3.
Huh?
3.5. Gun? No. Oh no, I'm good with this. I'll be alright. Huh?
I don't want to shoot them.
Yeah, me neither.
What are those?
I don't want to shoot that gathler either. I'm sick of gatherers.
What are those in the decoys?
Huh?
What are those in the decoys?
Oh yeah, those are teal. Look like see them to your left, Clayton. These are nice. Those are teal. Those are gathers.
Here they come, boys.
Here come the geese. Get ready, Clayton. Geese are coming back. Here they come. Yeah, they're coming back in a second.
Can you see them?
Yeah, they're right behind. Get ready. Come this way, come this way. Go, kill him.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Kill them, boys.
Yeah, I got that sucker.
You dropped that darn thing.
Yeah, I dropped that. Hell yeah. Hey, get that one right there. I just shot him. And he's dead. Okay, cool. Coming over.
Sorry. Oh my gosh. They're coming in. They're coming in. They're dropping. Y'all get ready. They're committed. They're committed. Y'all get ready. Y'all say when. Yeah.
Look out!
Ah, shit. That one almost landed on my head. Hey, I'm gonna steal this one right here.
I guarantee you the shot cam got that one.
Yeah, oh yeah. I got the one right behind.
Hold on, hey, honk at him, honk at him. Not enough yet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coming back around.
Here they come, here they come.
We need to kill these ducks right here. Let's kill them. All right, go for it.
Before he leaves.
You got it?
Way down there.
Got him? Up. Damn. I think we ought to go out there and get some of those.
Yeah, let's pick up a few real quick. Perfect. Good thing I said kill them ducks, boys. I said good thing I said kill them ducks.
Yeah, oh yeah. You want to go that goose?
Yeah.
I think there's two back there. There's one or two.
I think just this one.
Oh, we sat down. Okay, hold on. Yeah. We gotta go get those other ones. Which one did you shoot?
I have no idea, dude. Huh?
We got 4, 5, 6, 7. How many you have?
There's 3 in the water.
Yeah.
There's one at the other bank.
Yeah, there's one over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I only killed 3. I shot 1 out of that second group and 2 off the first.
I killed 2 here and 1 up top for sure.
I
The
killed.
one that landed over here.
I thought yeah, we put it over here.
The one that landed over
Hey, look
here,
at this.
landed in the air.
Yeah.
Be
Get
still.
'em.
Yeah.
They're too high. Hey, you want to
I
try to
wanna-
get those 2 geese?
If you want to walk and get them, you can. I don't.
Oh.
I could be wrong. I'm gonna piss while y'all do that, and then we'll kill some more ducks. Oh, dadgum, I didn't even see him. Wow. All 3 times, boys. Hurry, old boy.
Hurry! We can only shoot 2 apiece.
You're good. Their turn. Hurry.
Other turn. Hurry up.
Well, on the other side.
Let them come in. Let them come in.
Yeah, if we can get them to
2
land.
apiece. I can't even breathe. See, they're right over us.
You want to kill them over the top?
He said no.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Well, I got 2.
I got one.
I guaranteed got 2 of those.
Kill that one.
Here they come back over the top. How many do we have down? Here we go, boys. We need
Hey, he said they're coming back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11 counting these six.
We have 11 right here. We need 4 more.
There's a flock right there.
Huh?
There's more coming in. He
And a
said.
flock of ducks coming.
Yep, come on.
Oh yeah.
Somebody needs to get it.
Right there, boys. Oh, dadgummit.
Yeah, that's the canvas back, buddy. I'm gonna go get it real quick. You care?
I don't care.
Yeah. I know that.
That looks like a gadwall.
No.
Yeah, I think they're gadwall. Here comes the tail. Here comes the duck. He's tenderized.
That's a gad.
Now.
Here comes the duck. Down the pipe. Down the pipe. He's a little far.
Is it a gadwall?
The widgeon. Widgeon.
I told you it was a widgeon. Hey, I told you that was a widgeon. I could tell by the beat of its wings.
Yeah, I thought it was.
Boys, I'm down to like 10 3.5s.
I just opened my second box. It was a widgeon.
You boys are gonna be sad when y'all see the shot cam video,
Why?
because I am folding ducks.
Oh.
I'm telling you, I've watched them fall when I squeezed on them.
I promise. I know what Daniel's thinking. He's thinking I'm gonna mount all of these.
Huh?
How many ducks do we have?
1, 2, 3, and then we have one over there, but
One on the bank for sure.
yeah. We just got 3.
Wow, that's not enough.
Yeah, no.
Hey, here's some ducks up top. Kill 'em.
Drop that one.
And that one.
Somebody drop that
Right in the blind.
Drop that one.
Boom, boys.
I know I dropped that.
Guarantee ya.
Huh?
Hitting them with them old steel shots.
I'm about to switch to 3.
Yeah, me too. I'm literally putting them in right now. Hey, look at these.
Hey, look at
Here
that.
we go.
Coming back.
Here we go. This is another different group.
Somebody's cussing at us over there.
He's not fucking playing.
Yeah.
What else that mean? I'm here to tell you, boys, I'm not a peace officer. If he comes over that palm with a gun and aiming it, I'm shooting his ass.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep, there he is.
Hey Siri. Call county dispatch.
Yo, we better kind of stay hidden for a second. He's shooting up in the air. Is he?
Yeah, I heard it hit the
Damn.
Hey Uzi, call dispatch. My phone's back there.
There's a pile of ducks in that end down there.
Yeah.
I don't want to get out and get them ducks, but I don't want to get shot.
Sheriff's office.
Send a deputy to where I'm duck hunting at, there is a neighbor that just cooked off a few 22 rounds towards us, or pistol.
Okay. Where are you at?
He's not actively shooting at us anymore. He was cussing and yelling and then shot a few rounds that sounded like towards our direction. I'm sure he's upset because we're duck hunting and it's loud, but not gonna shoot at us.
No, that's not okay. Okay, I'll let somebody out there. Okay.
All right, thank you. Bye.
Huh?
I need some more mallards to come in this sucker.
Those were mallards and gadwalls, and I like to keep this bad boy. What do you think, Reagan?
If I shot him, he's getting mounted.
Hey, you might as well mount it there. Look at this one.
Because I don't have a redhead on my wall yet.
Yeah, oh yeah. I would mount him.
I didn't even shoot at those redheads.
Yeah,
I was loading my gun back from the goose shoot when they flew in.
I shot one and he shot one.
I mean, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it's all going to your house. Daniel's Taxidermy. Why don't you go ahead and tell them about it?
It's Daniel's Waterfowl, bird and waterfowl taxidermy. Started a couple of years ago. I just kind of got into it a little bit, and then I thought, you know, I'm gonna help guys out that really, you know, they want a good mount, good quality bird, and you know, for a reasonable price, you know. And so my deal was, when I got into it, I wanted to make sure they were affordable and they were getting a good quality bird that they're proud of, you know. And yeah, so I was trained under Matt Smith under Blue Ribbon Birds. He's a master bird taxidermist. It's called Blue Ribbon Birds. Went and spent some time with him and trained under him. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, it's pretty good. So
Cool. So how do they get a hold of you?
just you could reach out either on Facebook, through Messenger, through Daniel's Waterfowl and Bird Taxidermy, or my number is 903-217-5098, or just reach out to any of these guys.
Cool. Yeah. And that's who we use. He is through and through our bird taxidermist, does awesome work. Y'all check him out.
Birds he's gonna taxidermy.
Yeah, I know. He's got a bunch of work to do. Do what?
They flew right past us. Yeah, they're coming.
Where are the geese?
They're
They're
way over there.
They're not coming.
Yeah, they're not coming. He's off their head.
You'll have to call it if they come from that way.
They're right above us.
Yeah, they're circling. They're circling. We got two big groups. We got Clayton.
I want to see three ducks. Oh man, that's a good one too.
Yeah, oh, yeah. You ready? They're gonna do another pass. They're coming behind us. They're right on top of Reagan.
You want to kill him?
No.
Thought I heard geese.
All right, I think the hunt is over. I'm gonna walk up here and get my buggy and meet them. Well, we got some sheriff's deputies and game warden coming to meet us because this dude next door decided to shoot at us. So that's awesome. Real awesome of him to shoot a pistol to us while we're duck hunting. Not at all. Hey. Sorry to drag y'all out here. Let me put this gun over here.
What's going on?
All right, so, man, I didn't really want to bug y'all with it, but I didn't know if this guy was gonna stop. Let me show you where we're set up. So, we are right here, set up on this low spot. There's water all in this. We're killing ducks and geese in this hole. Somewhere from either this house or this house, we were in a lull. We had just stopped shooting and we heard him say, "I'm not playing," and then popped off like 6 or 7 rounds towards us, and you could hear them crashing in the trees. I get it, you know, we're shooting shotguns, it's early, but that's, you know, they're like 300 yards away. There's no way we're, hopefully, obviously not peppering them or anything like that, but I didn't know if he was gonna pop over the hill and shoot at us some more or not, and I'm not walking on his property like this, you know. I'd probably get me shot.
Yeah.
But that's what's going on. I have it all on video if it is a big deal. I mean,
What do you want to do?
I just want him not to shoot at us, you know. Can't shoot a pistol back at us.
No.
You know?
It's frowned upon.
Yeah, for sure.
I'll go.
What'd they say?
They're going to talk to him. Well, guys, that'll be it for this hunt. We appreciate y'all watching. We'll see y'all in the next episode of Texas Outdoorsman.